Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we're in Morristown, New Jersey. Just completed this beautiful inline stationary panel with a dogleg cutout panel and a door hinged right. All this glass is 3/8 inch low iron tempered glass. We've used brushed nickel hardware to match the rest of the fixtures inside the bathroom. And this handle is actually not in-house. This is a C.R. Lawrence handle called the RM. So it kind of like has the flat profile on the outside, but then on the back end here, you've got a nice round profile. So not really my favorite, because since the profile, in comparison to a square handle, so the edges are 90 degrees to each other, right? But since this tapers back and rounds off, so that means this isn't quite 90 degrees, so it's a little bit sharper here. So catching your elbow, your hand, or anything else while you're naked in the shower on these edges is, trust me, you won't do it again. And what else? And if you guys follow me, you know how I feel about making my shower doors double acting functionally. That way when the water's on the inside of the door, it goes right back down the drain instead of out here on your overpriced Bed and Beyond bath mat. All right, so give you a little perspective here on some symmetry. Everything lined up pretty good. And that's it. All right, so if you guys need one of these or need help fixing an existing one, if your glass guy isn't answering the phone, feel free to give me a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit my website, njglassdoors.com.